heck is that? Oh my god. My backyard is creepy. It's my backyard is creepy. My backyard is very creepy. Dude. You suck. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a leak.
Oh my god. This backyard is just, oh my god. Wet leaves.
Are they off?
No, your butt needs to be off. I've always wondered what's in that pile over there. What the heck is that? In the world? That's creepy. Come on.
What is
What
that?
the fuck?
Probably a motorcycle.
I don't think that's what it is.
I've never heard of motorcycles before.
What? You know what a motorcycle is. But my friend has, what the hell was that? Oh my god. Oh wow. No! My crap. Dude, that's poison ivy right there.
Poison ivy?
Yes, that's poison ivy. You're so, my god, you're so dumb. You're about to get poisoned by poison ivy. My gosh, what's wrong with you? Wait, dude, come back. My dude, stop! Stop! Don't run into me, man. Stop it. It's getting hot out here. Khalid. Stop! Come here! He's actually 5. I'm like 9. He's 5 though. My other friend Ty, he's like, yeah, he's 7. And Khalik's 6. And Ty is 7 and I'm 9. I'm old. I'm an old man. I'm going gray. Oh my god. Okay, why are you doing this? I don't like that sound. Let's go back to the backyard, man. Or inside. I just got done watching creepypastas. I'm like freaked out by what I saw. What I saw cannot been unseen. Wait, what the heck is that? Oh my god. Halik, come on. We gotta go inside, okay? We gotta go inside. that? Dude, I'm scared. What the heck? Oh my God. You go check and see what's in there.
What?
Go check and see what's in there. Oh. Oh, hey, Nikki. Oh my God.
Can we see it?